Good morning. My name is Jasmine Karthikeyan. I am studying in first standard ICSE. Today I am going to say about the story of the pot. Gopi was a potter. He made nice round pots at home and sold them in the market. One day Gopi was taking his pots to the market. One pot fell out of his cart into the market. A fly saw the pot. The fly told, "Oh, what a nice pot to sleep when it's hot." She had a friend. She she is very happy with the nice big house, but she wished she had a friend to share it with. After a few days, a frog hopped by, saw the pot. The frog told, "Croak, croak, oh, what a nice pot to sleep when it's hot." Suddenly, the fly come out of the pot. Suddenly, he told Mr. Frog, "Can you share my home, please, please?" The frog told Croak, croak, "Thank you, Miss Fly, for your help. We both are staying here." After a few days, a mouse squeaked by. He saw the pot and he told, "Oh, what a nice pot to sleep when it's hot." The fly told, "Hello." The mouse told, "Hello, is anyone here?" The fly told, "Hello, Mr. Mouse, Mr. Frog, and I live here." The mouse told, "Thank you, Miss Fly, for your help." After a few days, very hot day, a very big bear come by. He saw the pot. The bear told, "Grr, grr, oh, what a nice pot to sit when it's hot." When he sit, suddenly it's broke by louder chow. Mr. Fry, Mr. Frog, and Mr. Mouse together. "Oh no, it was a nice pot to sleep when it's hot." Thank you.